Today, a take on the classic Greek Spanakorizo, or spinach rice, with added meltingly good Greek Feta cheese and sun-dried tomatoes and a little Ouzo. Heat some extra virgin Greek olive oil in a deep skillet. Add the chopped onions and cook them until wilted and soft, around 8 minutes. Then stir in the garlic. Next, add the rice and stir to coat in the oil. This brings out a nutty flavor in the rice. Add the fresh spinach in batches, stirring each time until it wilts and loses volume. Season with a little sea salt. Pour in a little Ouzo. Yes, Ouzo. Then water. Pat dry the soaked, sun-dried tomatoes and coarsely chop them. Mash up some Greek feta. Add the tomatoes to the spinach rice mixture. Stir in a little balsamic vinegar. And toward the end, stir in the feta. Adjust the seasoning with a bit of salt and pepper, and voila! A great, healthy, plant-based, yummy Greek dish is born.